In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the line midpoint snap not showing in AutoCAD. If your cursor won't snap to the middle of a line, the first thing to check is whether Object Snap is enabled. Simply press F3 to turn Object Snap on. If snapping works for other points but not the midpoint, type OS or OSNAP in the command line and press Enter. This opens the Object Snap settings. Look through the list and make sure midpoint is checked. If it isn't, enable it and click OK. Now move your cursor over a line and the midpoint marker should appear automatically. You can also review other snap options in the same window and enable the ones you use most often. Proper snap settings help improve accuracy and make drawing much faster. This quick adjustment restores accurate snapping and helps improve precision in your drawings. Thanks for watching and happy drafting in AutoCAD.